So I'm gonna make Tom Kha soup. Tom Kha chicken soup, or in Thai we call it Tom Kha Gai, because Gai means chicken. And here I have the fresh one. I have Galangal. Hold on. Why is it not full? Okay, Galangal. I have lamb. I have lemongrass, and I have Kaffir Lime Leaf, and also chicken breast, and mushroom, which you can use white mushroom if you. Add water. And then when it is boiling, if this is, bring it to a boil, and then when this is boiling, add mushroom into it. Or if you don't have mushroom, you can use cabbage too. I also add fresh lemongrass in it, because if you have it like with the taste of it, will taste better with it. And when it is boiling, it is already boiling, I'll add like mushroom into it. Mushroom, good. Then I'll wait until it's boiling again. Then I'll top with cilantro. Come on. And then I'll squeeze like a lime juice on it.